Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying your Apple ID and turning on shared albums in iCloud settings. This lets you access invitations. Once done, open the Photos app and go to For You or Albums where shared invites appear. If someone already sent an invite, you'll see it as a notification or a card. Tap that invite to reveal the shared album details. Make sure your device has internet access so the invite can download and sync with iCloud immediately. You should now accept the invite by tapping Accept on the invitation card. Accepting registers you as a subscriber. Once accepted, navigate to Albums, scroll to Shared Albums, and open the new album to view photos and videos. If the album owner allowed contributions, you can add items, otherwise you'll be view-only. Make sure you set notification preferences so you know when new content appears. And check contributor settings if you plan to upload your own photos. To finish, add photos by selecting Images, tapping Share, and choosing the shared album. You can also save items from the album to your library. Manage album options by tapping People to view subscribers, toggle notifications, and set whether others can add content. This keeps the album organized. If the album or invite doesn't appear, sign out and back into iCloud, confirm shared albums is enabled, and ensure a stable internet connection. These steps resolve most sync and visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.